Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2014 Volkswagen Tiguan. On this Tiguan we are going to go over where you find your fuse boxes. First we have the fuse box that's inside the engine bay. This is on the left hand side of the vehicle, your driver's side, just behind the front headlight and right next to your battery. To open this up, you pull these two tabs forward and then you'll be able to raise this cap off. No information panel to know what these fuses do, so you'll need to look them up in a owner manual or other sources. So we have all these fuses in here. When you change fuses, you make sure that you put the same fuse back in of the same amps that it needs to be. If you replace a 5, you replace it with a 5. You don't replace a 5 with a 10. You can overload the system and you can cause a lot more issues. It's designed to blow a 5 amp fuse because anything over that is what you don't want to be in that system. This fuse box also has fuses that are built in right here on this bottom side, and so these aren't being used over here, but these are, and so these can melt in between here, and then you would have to get this new panel here or a whole new box. So that's the one that is in the engine bay. When you're done, you just put the cap back on and push these tabs to the back. Make sure that it is locked on there to keep your moisture out of it to stop the corrosion. We have another fuse box or fuse location inside the cabin of the vehicle. So we have this little panel that's right here inside the cabin on your driver's side where your left knee would be, and then you can pull it down. And then you just need to just kind of pull it out. It just has these clamp tabs that are holding in the bottom, and you can pull this out to remove it. And once you pull that out, then you can slide it up and this will slide out. And then right inside there there's more fuses and some relays up there. Again, you will have to look up what the fuses operate when you're looking for them via owner's manual or another source. There is no diagram on the casings that we have. And so those are the two fuse locations on your Volkswagen Touareg of a 2014. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.